Are you looking for the best dashcam under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best dashcam under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Deelife 4K Dash Cam. The Deelife 4K Dash Cam is a reliable and advanced car camera that complements the context of the previous paragraph. Designed for recording high-quality footage while driving, this dashcam offers several notable features. Equipped with a 4K resolution camera, the Deelife 4K dashcam can capture clear and detailed video footage of your journeys on the road. This high resolution ensures that important details are captured accurately, such as license plates or road signs. The dashcam features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to connect their mobile devices and access recordings or adjust settings through a dedicated app. This wireless convenience makes it easy to review footage, download videos, or share memorable moments with others. Number 2. KAWA HD Dash Cam. The KAWA HD Dash Cam is an advanced car DVR camera that complements the context of the previous paragraph. Designed to capture high-quality video recordings while driving, this dashcam offers a range of impressive features. With its 2K 1440p HD resolution, the KAWA dashcam captures clear and detailed video footage, providing a high level of visual clarity. This resolution ensures that important details on the road are accurately recorded, such as license plates, road conditions, and other crucial information. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, this dashcam allows users to connect their mobile devices and access recordings or adjust settings through a dedicated app. This wireless feature provides convenience and easy access to captured footage, making it simple to review, download, or share videos with others. Number 3. Asawin H5C10. The Asawin H5C10 is an advanced rear-view mirror dashcam that complements the context of the previous paragraph. Designed to provide a comprehensive recording solution, this dashcam offers several notable features. With its dual-lens camera system, the Asawin H5C10 captures footage from both the front and back of the car simultaneously. This allows for a complete view of the surroundings, providing a comprehensive record of any incidents or events that occur on the road. Featuring a full-screen touch IPS, in-plane switching, display, this dashcam provides a user-friendly interface for easy access to settings and recorded footage. The touchscreen functionality enhances the overall user experience, making it simple and intuitive to navigate through menus or review captured videos. Number 4. Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam. The Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam is an innovative combination of a bicycle tail light and a camera that complements the context of the previous paragraph. Designed specifically for cyclists, this device offers both safety and recording features. As a tail light, the Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam provides visibility and improves safety while cycling. It emits a bright and attention-grabbing light, alerting other road users of your presence. This enhances your visibility, especially during low-light conditions or at night, and helps to prevent accidents. Number 5. AZDOME M300S. The AZDOME M300S is an advanced car recorder that complements the context of the previous paragraph. Designed for recording high-quality video footage while driving, this car DVR offers several notable features. Equipped with a 4K plus 1080p front camera and a rear camera, the AZDOME M300S captures high-resolution video from both the front and back of the vehicle. This dual-camera setup provides comprehensive coverage of the surroundings, ensuring that crucial details are recorded in case of any incidents or accidents. The AZDOME M300S features an 800MP lens, which enhances the clarity and sharpness of the recorded videos. This results in clear and detailed footage, allowing users to easily identify important details such as license plates or road signs.